Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a high-performance portable music player packed with features, today's review is just for you. We're diving into the AHENOD 5-inch MP3 player with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Stay tuned to find out why this device might just be the perfect addition to your gadget collection. The AHENOD G15 MP3 player is a game-changer for music and media lovers. Powered by Android 9 OS, this sleek device features an MTK 8-core processor, 3GB RAM, and 16GB internal storage, expandable up to 512GB with the included 64GB SD card. Whether you're streaming from Spotify, Amazon Music, or YouTube, its fast and smooth operation ensures a seamless experience. Plus, it supports all major music formats like MP3, FLAC, and WAV for ultimate compatibility. One standout feature is the 5-inch IPS touchscreen, delivering vibrant visuals with 1080p HD resolution. It's not just a music player, it's a portable entertainment hub. Watch movies, browse photos, or even enjoy FM radio. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.1 and duplex wireless technology, the AHENOD ensures stable connections with headphones, speakers, and even car stereos, so you can enjoy your tunes without boundaries. Designed with an aluminum alloy body and double-sided glass, the AHENOD feels as premium as it looks. The built-in 2,500 mAh battery offers up to 50 hours of music playback, making it perfect for long trips or workouts. Plus, it comes with thoughtful accessories like earphones, a silicone case, and a screen protector. It's ideal for anyone, whether you're shopping for yourself or a gift. Thanks for watching this review. If you're impressed by the AHENOD 5-inch MP3 player, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.